Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage who can add you to groups on WhatsApp web on your PC. This is a new update that gives you more control over your privacy and prevents unwanted additions to group chats. Here's how you do it. 1. First, open WhatsApp web on your PC. Simply go to web.whatsapp.com in your browser and log in using your phone to scan the QR code. 2. Once you're in, look at the left side menu. You'll see a few options there. Click on the gear icon. This will take you to the settings menu where you can adjust various aspects of your WhatsApp web experience. 3. In the settings menu, find and click on privacy. This section is dedicated to your privacy settings, allowing you to control who can see your information and contact you. 4. Scroll down the privacy settings page until you see groups and click on it. Here, you can control who can add you to WhatsApp groups. 5. You'll see 3 options: Everyone, My Contacts, and My Contacts Accept. Everyone means anyone with your phone number can add you to groups without your approval. My Contacts means only people in your phone's address book can add you to groups without your permission. My Contacts Accept is the most customizable option. It allows only the contacts in your phone's address book, except those you exclude, to add you to groups without your approval. Choose My Contacts Accept for the most control. 6. After selecting My Contacts Accept, a contact list will appear, and you can search for or select the contacts you want to exclude. This means these specific contacts won't be able to add you to groups without sending you an invitation first. 7. Once you've chosen the contacts to exclude, confirm your selection. Now, if an excluded contact tries to add you to a group, they'll get a pop-up saying they can't add you, and they'll be prompted to send a private group invite through an individual chat instead. You'll have 3 days to accept the invite before it expires. And that's it. You've successfully managed who can add you to groups on WhatsApp web. This feature helps you maintain a more private and controlled WhatsApp experience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.